Hello my friends, this is Myrna. Today we're gonna talk about topic 1, lesson 1.3, both addends, pages 22 to 24. Our objectives is to know how to solve the word problems by breaking apart the total number of objects.
Myrna, my dear, will you come please?
Coming. Yes, mommy.
Do you know how many tomatoes do I have here?
Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tomatoes.
Okay, now we want to divide the tomato into two groups. One group to make tomato juice and one group to make tomato sauce. Can you help me?
Would you help me, please?
Okay, see my dear, we have 7 tomatoes and we need to put them in two groups. One group to make tomato juice and one group to make tomato sauce. So, see here, I have put the tomatoes in two groups. One group has 3 tomatoes and this group has 4 tomatoes. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, now let me ask you this question. Do you think that we can put these tomatoes into different groups?
Yes, I do. I'll put the tomato into two groups in this way. So here I have 2 tomatoes in this group and 5 tomatoes in the other group. So I have 2 plus 5 equals 7.
How about here? If I have put the tomatoes in these two groups, what is the addends?
What's the meaning of addends?
Addends means the numbers that we added together to have the sum. So it's the number of tomatoes in each group. Here in the first group, the number of the tomato is 1. And on the other group, we have 6 tomatoes. So the addends here are 1 and 6. So 1 plus 6 equals 7 because the addends give me the sum of the total tomatoes.
I got it. Can I try again?
Of course, my dear. Here I took off 1 tomato and now we have 6 tomatoes. Give me 2 addends that can make the equation.
Okay, so I'll put the tomatoes in 2 groups. In one group, I'll put 3 tomatoes. And on the other group, I'll put 3 tomatoes also. So the addends here are 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6 because the addends give me the number of the total tomatoes that we have.
Great job! You got it, my dear. Now let's make the juice and the sauce.
Okay, my friends. Now, please bring your pencil and your paper and write these equations. Try to solve it by yourself. We want to find the addends of these equations. I will help you with the first one. Okay, so here we have the number of 5 and we want to find the addends. So, suppose that we have 5 apples. Can you tell me how you can divide it into 2 groups? Great! We have many choices to do. So to find the addends, we can put 3 apples in the first group and 2 apples in the other group. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or we can divide it into 4 apples in the first group and 1 apple in the other group. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Thank you so much, my friends, for being with me. See you soon. Don't forget to solve the problems here. Solve it and send it to your teacher to check your answer. Bye-bye.